Hello children. Today we are going to do the revision. You know what revision? Now you are approaching your essay 1, right? Summative assessment test. So, and you also got the portion for the science subject. Yes, it is lesson number 1, lesson number 6 and lesson number 7. So today we will start with the revision of essay 1 and this is the part 1. You have to read all the questions carefully and then you have to choose the correct option and you have to tick that, right? You know that very well, as you have done in your FA2 test, right? So we will begin, and besides this you also have to learn from your classwork and your textbook. You have to go through your textbook and learn the notes from the classwork. Okay, so now we begin. See, filling the blanks by clicking the right option, clicking or choosing the right option, right? So first is dash are called energy giving foods. What are the options? Proteins, fats and carbohydrates. So energy giving foods are carbohydrates. Yes, so this I will mark. Another, next one, dash is rich in proteins. Options are noodles, meat and potatoes. As you very well know, noodles are rich in carbohydrates. Even potatoes are rich in carbohydrates. So your correct answer is meat. Meat is rich in proteins. Yes, so meat. Next one, if you want to eat something raw, which of the following will you be able to eat? As you know, most of the things we eat after cooking, while some of them we also eat without cooking, that is raw. So here the options are carrot, rajma and potato. So you know very well which one you can eat raw, that is without cooking. So you can eat carrot. Carrot is the correct answer, right? So carrot is the correct option. I'll mark carrot. Rajma we need to cook. Even potato we need to cook, right? Next one, Neha has 4 years old younger sister. Okay, she should eat more of dash to grow healthier. What she should eat more of? Dash to grow healthier. You know, children should eat more of proteins, right? Because they have to grow up. They are small, they have to grow up. So what she should eat more? She should eat proteins more. Other options are fats and roughage, but the correct option is the proteins. So proteins she should eat to grow healthier. I will mark protein, right? Fine. Next one, see here, oil, butter, cheese and nuts are rich in dash. They are rich in what? Are they rich in proteins or fats or carbohydrates? What is the correct answer? Fats, right? Because oil, butter and cheese and nuts, they all give you fats. So they are the nutrients which we get, fats we get from the oil, butter, cheese and nuts. So fats is the correct option. Dash is an important mineral for healthy bones and teeth. Yes, tell me. You need healthy bones and even strong teeth. So how you will get it? By eating, by having mineral. Which mineral? Calcium. Okay, other options are protein and butter. But you need calcium for your healthy bones and healthy teeth. So calcium is the correct option, right? Dash grows on the slice of bread. When I have taught you the lesson 7 adaptation, I had told you to do one activity. You have to take means a piece of a slice of bread was taken and some water was sprinkled and it was kept aside, right? And after few days or 1 or 2 days only, you will find something growing on it, black color or gray color. right? And that is called, what that is called? That is called mold. So mold is the correct answer, not chlorophyll, not grass. So mold is the, mold grows on the slice of bread, right? Fine. As we move further, name the following by choosing the right option. So first is a food item rich in vitamins. Okay, what is the food item which is rich in vitamins? Pulses, cereals or fruits? Which is the correct option? Yes, fruits is the correct option. We get vitamins from vegetables and fruits. So fruits fruits I am clicking, right? Fruits. Another, a food item that is rich in carbohydrates, right? And what are the options? Noodles, meat and oranges. What is the correct option? Noodles, because from noodles you get carbohydrates, from meat you get proteins, oranges you get vitamins. So here the correct option is A, noodles, right? Next one, a method of food preservation where germs are first killed and food is then sealed in cans is what? Okay, dash. That means what is that? Method of food preservation. And the options are drying, refrigeration or canning. Yes, it is canning, where germs are first killed and then food is sealed in the cans. So easily you can say it is canning, right? Other, drying, in drying the water is removed. Okay, refrigeration, you have to keep the thing for few hours or 1 or 2 days. For some days you can keep it in refrigeration, right? And but this method of killing the germs first and then sealing in the cans is canning, right? Very good. Further, yes, again, one of the preserved food from the following is dash. Which is the preserved food? Okay, the option is pickle, rice or bread. So as you know very well, pickle we preserve, right? We put salt and oil and we can, your mother must be doing it, and so the correct answer is pickle. Okay. Another one food item of cereal group is dash. Which is the correct food item of the cereal group? Options are rice, milk or eggs. Okay, so the cereal group means the correct option is rice. Rice is the correct answer. Yes. Okay, next one. The process by which plants make food. What is it called? Very simple. The options are carbohydrates, photosynthesis and adaptation. So what is the correct? Photosynthesis. Yes, you know very well. Carbohydrates are the nutrients which you get from the food. Adaptation is the ability of plants and animals to survive in the given condition. So that is not the process of plants making food. So correct answer is photosynthesis. I will click photosynthesis. Okay, I'll choose photosynthesis in this. Right? Okay. Further, name the following. Again same. Next one. A green pigment present in plants. What is the green pigment present in plants? Options are carbon dioxide, chlorophyll or oxygen. Very well you know how many times I have told. Okay, we have gone through this lesson many times. So the correct option is chlorophyll. Yes, very good. Is chlorophyll, right? Fine. A gas given out during photosynthesis. Which gas is given out during photosynthesis? Oxygen, carbon dioxide or chlorophyll? It is oxygen. It is given out. Yes? So, oxygen. Next one, a gas that leaves take from air to make food. You know, leaves take the gas from the air to make food. And which is that gas? Options are oxygen, carbon dioxide and water. Of course, it is not oxygen because oxygen is given out, right? So the correct option is carbon dioxide. Leaves take in carbon dioxide and plants give out oxygen in photosynthesis, right? Okay, next one. A tube that takes water to parts of the leaf. Okay, options are stomata, starch, veins. So, veins is the correct answer. Veins are the tubes that take water to parts of the leaf. So, veins I am clicking, right? So, this is how we have done the name the following. Next one, see here. Here you have to answer the following by choosing the appropriate options. You read the question properly, go through all the options and then you select, right? So I'll read the question. The process by which plants make dash is called photosynthesis. Leaves use dash from soil, dash from air and dash to make food. Means there are 4 blanks. Yes, and the options are also given, but they should be in the correct sequence, then only that is correct. Means first blank, what should first blank have? Plants, the process by which plants make dash is called photo, means plants make food, so it should have food. Okay, so let us check with all the options. What is the first option? Water. So water will not come in first blank. Water, no. So first option is not correct. So what about second? Second is food, carbon dioxide, sunlight and water. So the process by which plants make food is called photosynthesis. That is first one is correct. But leaves use dash from soil. What does leaves use from the soil? From soil it uses water. So water should be the second option. Here second option is carbon dioxide. So that is also not correct. Another one is C option is water, sunlight, carbon dioxide and food. So water is the first option. That is also not correct, right? So let us see D1. Okay, look into the D option. That is food, water, carbon dioxide, sunlight. We will check this out. So the process by which plants make food. Yes, food is called photosynthesis. And leaves use dash from soil. What does leaves use? Leaves use water from the soil, right? So water, correct? Second option, water. Another, dash from the air. What does leaves use from the air? Carbon dioxide. So carbon dioxide and sunlight. So last one is sunlight to make food. So D option is correct. Yes, D option is very correct. Here first food, then water, then carbon dioxide and then sunlight. So option D is correct. Yes. So this is how you have to read the question properly and then go through all the options carefully and then you have to choose the correct one. Yes, fine. Further, here you have to identify the figure and then choose the correct option. Okay, so first figure is given, right? Here the options are hydrilla and pine cones, right? So which is the correct? Is it hydrilla? No, it is not hydrilla. Why? Because hydrilla is an aquatic plant. Yes, and here they are hanging from the tree. Yes, so they are pine cones, right? They are pine cones. The correct option is pine cones. Next one, see the picture here. Here in the first option is pitcher plant, second is Venus flytrap. You should see all the figures and pictures from the textbook carefully. You should learn, right? So that you can recognize, and also you have to go through my videos, my slides, okay, whatever presentation I am showing you while explaining the lesson, that you have to nicely go through it and you have to nicely listen to it carefully. Okay, so you will recognize, you can identify the figure. So here the figure is not of Venus flytrap, it is of pitcher plant. So I am choosing pitcher plant. It is the correct option, right? Fine. Next one. Okay. Here is some foods are given. Food rich in carbohydrates or food rich in vitamins. That one you have to choose. Okay. So here the what is seen, there are many vegetables and fruits are seen, right? So this is the picture. These are the food sources which is rich in vitamins. Yes. So correct option is vitamins. Food rich in vitamins. Okay, look into the next figure. A leaf is shown, and from that leaf something, this round structure is shown, right? And means this is elongated form. It is a enlarged form, you can say. Okay, and what is it showing? It is showing, are they showing vein? No, veins are tube like structure. Okay, so this is stomata. You see, CO2 is going in, oxygen is going out. Okay, so you can guess, and this is a tiny holes like structure present on the leaf. So that are the stomata. Okay, so I will choose stomata as a correct answer. So this is the correct answer. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, next we will be doing in our part 2 revision. Okay, children, go through the revision nicely. This type of questions can be asked where you have to choose the correct options. And in addition to this, you also have to go through the textbook and the classwork notes, right? Go through all the pictures in the lesson, in the textbook, whatever is given. Okay, fine. Thank you and take care and prepare yourself for the essay one. Okay, goodbye.